Welcome back to Roger's Freestyle Machine Shop. Just a real quick little view of what's going on here. Got way too much stuff. If you see anything you like in here, we'd be more than happy to share it with you. Gotta have your Wilton vices. Anyway, we're here to kind of focus on these steam engines. Here's the Stanley steamer engine. According to what I can see on the internet, it's around 1904. The serial number is 0792. And it runs, but it's kind of clunky. It's missing the manifold, and somebody's replaced the nut there. Got the reversing linkage right there, and you can see in the background there's another little project, but we're looking at a steam engine today. That's too modern. So anyway, there it is. I made a little stand for it. It can stand up on the end, on the cylinder end, or it can lay down there. Let's see if we can get it running. We'll turn the steam on here. Well, there you have it. If you see anything in here that you'd like to own, we'd be more than happy to share it with you. A little consideration would be involved, but there it is. Here's a nice little Dunbar popcorn engine. It's from the popcorn carts, peanut roasters and that kind of stuff. It's got the stove leg base, and it's pretty complete. Pretty nice little engine. And there's another one. That one, somebody's made a base and modified it so they can put the pulley on the outside, and the bearings are on the inside of the flywheel. And they put a pulley on it, obviously, to run something with it. And there's a couple little tiny steam engines. You can see they're not much bigger than my finger. So there you are. Nice little table. That was an old air compressor. Tank was mounted in that base, and then the compressor sat up on top. Here's another steam engine that we probably wouldn't mind sharing with somebody. It's a decent little engine. Yeah, the little stairs go up here. And there's the valve to turn it on with, right there. And it's got a really nice boiler. That boiler is, that's the best boiler I've ever seen. I've got a propane burner in it right now, and it'll steam up in 10 minutes and have that engine running. And it's got a lot of fire tubes in it, and just a real nice, all castings, the top and all that is in the fire, doors and all that's cast brass. Very nice. There's a little 74-inch flathead Harley I built. So there you are, Roger's Freestyle Machine Shop. Remember, you're better off to do it poorly than not at all. Thanks for watching.